Good day, guys. This is Kuya Linux again, and today I will present you a simple tutorial about rules and operation in multiplication of polynomials, no? Ayan, mga basic rules, no? So we have steps in multiplication of polynomials. So what are the steps? So step number one, multiply each term, then simplify. Then we have step 2, combine like terms, then simplify. Then we have arrange in a standard format. So before we take an example, let's have some throwback, types of polynomials. So what are the types of polynomials? So number one is we have the monomial equation with single term. Example, 2a cubed, 5x squared, 4xy squared, 10ab, and 7x squared y cubed. So those are monomial. Then we have the binomial. So binomial has two terms. Example are x plus 2, a squared plus b squared, 4m cubed minus 5n, and then xy plus z. So those are binomials. Then we have the trinomial. So trinomial are equations with three terms. No? Example, x squared plus 5x plus 6. So these are trinomial because they have three terms, no? X squared, 5x, and 6. So these are terms. Then another example, a cubed minus 4a squared plus 7, or 4p squared plus 12pq plus 9q squared. So a variable can be represented by any letters in the alphabet. Okay, so let's take an example now. So example number 1, multiplying monomial to monomial. Ayan, no? So we have here 3x squared, that is a monomial, times 5x cubed, no? Two monomial. So again, let's just follow the steps. We multiply the terms. First, we multiply the coefficient and add the exponents. So here we have 3 and 5 as the coefficient. Ayun, no? 3 times 5. And then we have 2 and 3 as the exponents. So we add that one, so 2 plus 3. Okay, copy the variable x. Then we simplify, 3 times 5 is 15. And then 2 plus 3 is 5. So that is x to the 5th. So that will be 15x to the 5th. Yun na yung answer niya. Okay, so next example. We have multiplying monomial to a binomial. Okay, so we have here two equations, one monomial and one binomial. 4y squared times 2y squared plus 4. So we multiply all the terms, no? So you create a pattern when you are multiplying polynomials, no? So here you will see this white line and blue line. Okay, blue line and then the white line. See, yun yung pattern nyo pag i-multiply nyo na yung mga terms, no? So you can use any pattern you want. Basta wag lang kayong magdodoble ng multiplication. So yun, no? Una, yung white line, 4y squared times 2y squared, di ba? Ayun, no? 4 times 2 times y, we add the exponent, 2 plus 2. Di ba? Yun yung rule. Okay, next, blue line, 4y squared times 4, positive 4. So, ayun siya. 4 times 4 times y squared. Okay, so then we simplify. 4 times 2 is 8. Diba? Then y raised to 2 plus 2 is y to the 4th. 8y to the 4th. Then we simplify the next one. 4 times 4 is 16. Then y squared. So 16y squared. So 8y to the 4th plus 16y squared. Ayun na yung answer. The next example is multiplication of binomial to binomial. No? So mahaba na to. Binomial to binomial na. So yan, example, 4a squared plus 3, that is a binomial, multiplied by 2a squared by 6. That is a binomial also. So again, multiply all terms. You create your own pattern, no? So ito yung sample ko sa inyo, yung pattern na ganyan. So sundan nyo lang siya, yung white lines and blue lines. You know. So first, yung white line, 4a squared, kita nyo, times 2a squared, di ba? So, then you multiply it to the next 4a squared times negative 6. So, ito na siya. 4 times 2 times a raised to 2 plus 2. Yun yung una. Then, 4a squared times negative 6. Ayun. 4 times negative 6 times a squared. So, negative siya kasi negative yung 6. Then, the blue line. Ayan, yung blue line naman, 3 times 2a squared. Ayun, no? 3 times 2 times a squared. Just copy the sign, ha? And then, yung constant, positive 3 times negative 6. Ayun, no? 3 times negative 6. Then, next is, we simplify that equation. No? Ayun, ito yung nakuha natin na equation after multiplication of all terms. So, we simplify this one. So, yung una, 4 times 2, that is 8, di ba? Ayun, 8. Then, a raised to 2 plus 2, that is a to the 4th. So, 8a to the 4th. Alisin nyo na yung mga parentheses. Then, 4 times negative 6, is negative 24. Diba? Kasi unlike sign yun eh. So, magiging minus 24. Then, a squared. Yun. Okay? Then, next term, we have 3 times 2 times a squared. That is 6. Diba? 3 times 2 is 6. A squared. And then the next one, constant, 3 times negative 6, that is negative 18. Okay, so, yun, 3 times 2 is negative 18. Then after that, we'll just combine like terms, no? Same procedure in addition. So, yan. So, yung una, yung 8a to the 4th, yun, 8a to the 4th, di ba? So, mag-start tayo dun sa highest exponent. Then, to negative 24a squared. Tapos, meron siyang like terms. Ito, 6a squared. Pareha siya ng 6a squared, oh. So, yun, negative 24a squared plus 6a squared. Okay, so, yung susunod naman, yung constant, yung negative 18, ayun, negative 18 siya. Okay, so yan na yung combining like terms. Parehas. Yung parehas, pagsamasamahin lang. Yun. Then, we simplify these terms, no? So, we simplify these terms. Negative 24a squared plus 6a squared is negative 18a squared, di ba? Kasi negative yung 24, tapos yung 6 is positive, so negative siya, di ba? Unlike sign, we subtract. So 24 minus 6 is 18, then copy the sign of 24. Then yung constant is negative 18 is equal to negative 18. So yun na yung simplification. So then we arrange it 8a to the fourth, start minus 18a squared, you know, 18a squared minus na siya, negative, and then minus 18. So yun na yung answer. 8a to the fourth is minus 18a squared. Then example number 4, multiplying binomial to trinomial. No, medyo mahaba na to. Yan. So we have one binomial here, 4y cubed minus 3. Then 2y cubed minus 5y squared plus 3. That is a trinomial, no? Binomial to trinomial. Solution, again, similar procedure. Just multiply all the terms. You create your pattern. Just don't duplicate. Ayan. So meron tayong white line and blue line. Yan yung pattern na ginagamit ko. 4y cube, i-multiply mo siya dito sa tatlo, and then yung negative 3 din, i-multiply mo doon sa tatlo. So, yung una, 4y cube times 2y cube. Ayun. And then, multiply din sa 5y, then doon sa positive 3. So, 4y cube times 2y cube. Ayun, no? 4 times 2 times y raised to 3 plus 3. We add the exponent. Then, yung next naman, dun muna tayo sa white, ha? So, 4y cubed times negative 5y squared. Yun, no? So, yun. Positive 4 times negative 5y raised to 3 plus 2. Yun. Then, we multiply the next one. Yung, we add the exponents, 3 plus 2. Then, we multiply the next one, 4y cubed times 3. Diba? So, yun, 4 times 3 times y cubed. Then, the blue line, 3 times 2y cubed. Ayun, negative 3 times 2 times y cubed. Just copy the sign kung ano yung sign sa equation. Negative 3, okay? So, times negative 5y squared, di ba? Yung pangalawa sa blue line. So, negative 3 times negative 5 times y squared. Then next is negative 3 times positive 3. So negative 3 times positive 3. So after that, we just simplify. Simplify. Ito na yung equation na nakuha natin. So we simplify that one. So yun na. So 4 times 2, mag-umpisa tayo dito sa una, that is 8. Y to the 3 plus 3 is y to the 6. Diba? Remove the parentheses. 8y to the 6. Okay? So next, 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Ayun. So then yung variable niya, y raised to 3 plus 2. Ayun. Y to the 5th. Minus 20y to the 5th. No? Negative and positive. If you multiply, negative. Then 4 times 3 is 12y cubed. Okay? Ayun, no? Then, negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. Then, y cubed. No, negative siya, kaya negative din siya. Yung negative 6. Negative 3 times 2. And then, y cubed. So, negative 6y cubed. Then, yung next naman is negative 3 times negative 5. So, that's 15. So, like sign, if you multiply like sign, positive. Diba? Negative, negative is positive. So, positive 15y squared. Then, negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9. No? Unlike sign is negative. So, kaya negative 9 siya. Then, we arrange or we combine. We combine and simplify. So, again, you start with the highest degree of exponent. 8y to the 6. Ayun, nag-iisa lang siya. Then you have minus or negative 20y to the 5th. Ayun, di ba? 20y to the 5th. Negative siya. Then, the next one is the cube. Di ba? 12y cube tsaka yung 6y cube. Negative 6y cube. So, like term siya. Combine natin. Ayun, 12y cube minus 6y cube. Di ba? So, then we have the squared. Second degree. Ayun. Nag-iisa lang siya. 15y squared. Then we have the constant, negative 9. Ayun, oh. So, nakasegregate na siya. Kinumbine na lahat ng like terms. And then, we simplify this. Ayan na, simplify. So, 8y to the 6 is equal to 8y to the 6. So, wala siyang kasama. Negative 20y to the 5th is equal to negative 20y to the 5th. Nag-iisa lang din. And then 12y cube minus 6y cube is 6y cube. Diba? 12 minus 6 is 6. Then copy the variable and the exponent. So 6y cube. Then 15y squared is equal to 15y squared. No? Wala siyang kasama. Same with the constant. Negative 9 is equal to negative 9. Then you arrange according to descending order. Start with the highest degree, 8y to the 6. And then minus 20y to the 5th. Then plus 6y cubed. Then plus 15y squared. Then minus 9, constant. So yan na yung answer. Descending order siya. So madali lang, di ba? 8y to the 6 minus 20y to the 5th plus 6y cubed plus 15y squared minus 9. Excuse me. So next example is multiplying trinomial to trinomial. No? So medyo mahaba ito. Tatluan na ito eh. So yan, we have one trinomial here, z squared minus 2z plus 3 multiplied by 3z squared plus z minus 4. So again, you create a pattern. Ayan. So we have three colors now. White lines, blue lines, and yellow line. No? So tatlo yung kulay niya. You know? Yan, yung blue, tapos yung yellow. Multiply nyo siya doon sa tatlo. So paulit-ulit lang yan. Gawa lang kayo ng pattern. So, depends on you. Basta wag nyo lang dodoblihin. O yun o, yung una, 3, yung z squared times 3z squared. Diba? You know. Then, z squared times z. Ayun. Z raised to 2 plus 1. No? We add the exponents. When we multiply, we add the exponents. Yun na, oh. Then, z squared times negative 4. Diba? Yun, negative 4 times z squared. Copy whatever is the sign in the equation. So, yun, oh, negative 4. Then, blue line. Negative 2z multiplied dun sa tatlo, no? So, negative 2z yung una times 3z squared. Ayun, no? Negative 2 times 3 times z 1 plus 2. Okay? May exponent kasi yung 2z eh, na raised to the 1 yan. Tapos ito, then 2z times z, di ba? So, ayun. Negative 2z, and then the next one is negative 2 times negative 4 times z, di ba? Ayun, yung pangatlo doon sa blue line. So next, the yellow line, you know, positive 3 times positive 3z squared. Ayun, no? 3 times 3 times z squared. Then next, positive 3 times z, ayun, 3 times z, di ba? Then, positive 3 times negative 4, ayun, positive 3 times negative 4. So, ganun lang kasimple. Then, we simplify, no? Let's start on the first term. Yun, 3 times z raised to 2 plus 2 is 3z to the 4th. Di ba? You know, 3z to the 4th. And then the next one, z raised to 2 plus 1 is z cube. Ayun, z cube. Diba? 2 plus 1 is 3. Then negative 4 times z squared is negative 4z squared. No? Negative na siya kasi negative yung 4 eh. You know, negative 4z squared. Then 2 times 3 is 6. Z raised to 1 plus 2 is cube. Diba? So that is 6z cube or to the third power. Then the next one is negative 2 times z raised to 1 plus 1 is z squared. So negative 2z squared. Ayun, no? Negative 2z squared. Then negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. Diba? Like sign, positive. So negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8 times z. So that is 8z plus 8z. Okay. Then you have 3 times 3 is 9 z squared. So positive positive. So naging plus. Plus 9z squared. Then 3 times z is 3z. Ayun. 3z positive. And then the constant 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Ayun, no? Negative 12, di ba? And then we combine and simplify. So combine all like terms. So 3z to the 4th, nag-iisa lang. So ayun, 3z to the 4th. Then followed by cube. Yung z cube, nag-iisa lang din. And then may kasama siya, ayun, 6z cube. And then yung z cube, ayun, z cube plus 6z cube. Dalawa sila, no? So like term sila. So yun, kinumbine natin siya. Then negative 4z squared minus 2z squared plus yun, 9z squared. Like terms din yan. So ayan, pinagsama-sama natin. Minus 4z cube minus 2z, minus 2z squared plus 9z squared. And then yung 8z, yun know, 8z plus 3c. Diba? Ito, 3c oh. So, they are like terms. So, pagsamahin mo yan, 8c plus 3z. Then, followed by the constant. Ayun, negative 12. Nag-iisa lang siya. So, negative 12. Okay? Then, we simplify. After combining, simplifying. So, yan na siya. So, 3z to the 4th is equal to 3z to the 4th. Z cube plus 6z cube is equal to 7z cube, di ba? May 1 yan eh. Yung z, may 1 yan dyan. Automatic. So, 6 plus 1 is 7. Then, copy the variable and the exponents. The negative 4 tsaka negative 2 is negative 6, di ba? Like sign, you add. Negative 6. Then, copy the sign. So, negative 6z squared. Yung dalawang yan, negative 6z squared yan eh. Then, plus 9z. So, magsusubtract. So, 9 minus 6 is 3. Diba? Then, copy the sign of 9. Positive. So, magiging positive yung sagot dito. 3z squared. Okay? Positive 3z squared. Then, 8z plus 3z is 11c. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay? Then, yung constant, negative 12 is equal to negative 12. Wala siyang kasama, no? Then arrange. Arrange in order, descending order. Start with the highest degree. 3z to the fourth, you know, plus 7z cubed, yun, plus 3z squared, ayun, plus 11z, ayun, no, 11z, minus 12. Ayan, no, minus 12, di ba? So, yan na yung answer niya. So, madali lang eh. So, ganun lang eh. Basta be familiar with the rules, no? Yung mga sign numbers, combining like terms, and then yung paggawa nyo ng pattern. So, hanggang dito na lang muna. And we will have a short presentation for the next video. Thank you for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe. Help to my small channel. So, mga basic lang ito. So, thank you and good day. Bye-bye.